Several nations have placed their military forces on high alert. The possibility of a global conflict can no longer be ignored. The world had seen war, but this time, fear was not confined to borders alone.
Why do adults always choose war?
Children only ask questions, and their questions are the truest of all.
Every nation was showing its strength, as if power mattered more than humanity itself.
Stock up! No one knows what happens next!
War does not begin only on the battlefield, it starts first in people's minds.
We will respond with force, if necessary.
And what remains of humanity after that? Ego and peace both sat at the same table.
Just one button and cities turn into nothing but memories.
War harms the most those who never choose it.
And then the silence was broken.
We need more medical supplies, now! We're almost out, keep moving!
War doesn't only break soldiers, it shatters cities too. Who am I really fighting for?
Dear leaders, we just want a future.
The voice was small, but the intent was immense.
If I press this, millions die.
Behind every missile lies someone's childhood.
Stand down, cancel launch.
1 second of patience and the world was saved from breaking.
Breaking update, leaders have agreed to immediate ceasefire.
When ego steps back, peace moves forward. The greatest victory is the one where no one has to lose.
Let this be the last time we stand this close to destruction.
War destroys, but humanity rebuilds again.
You came back. Maybe we can choose better next time.
This is not just a planet. This is our home.
World War III might have begun, but humanity stopped it before it could happen. Hatred is a spark, but love is a light that can save the whole world.